Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Python and we will see why we should learn Python. So if we talk about the Python, so Python is basically a high level general purpose programming language which is known for simplicity, readability and versatility. If you are a beginner or if you want to learn Python, so it's very simple language, means you can learn very easily. Apart from that, the purpose of this Python is to, like, we use it in the many applications. It has the range of the application across the various domain. Either you want to create a you want to implement data science or the machine learning, Python is the best choice for that one because it has so many libraries which help us to create application very easily. If you want to create web development application, software development, automation, or any game development also, Python is the best choice to create such application. Apart from that, in current days, the demand of Python is high. So it's basically a very most popular programming language in current days. Even Python has the large and active community which offer extensive libraries and framework to extend its functionality. So these are the main areas where we have the Python to work, and any type of the application we want to create, either we want to create the object oriented programming or procedural application, Python is there to help to create such application. In the coming video, we will discuss how we install packages related to Python and how we can create our first small application. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.